Michael, I'd like to propose a trade. If this video can help you let go of your negative thinking, I want you to share it with the first person that comes to your mind. Challenge yourself with the concept that all thoughts originate from feelings. And if you can just change the fundamental feeling that you're experiencing, all of the subsequent negative thoughts will drift away. Right now, I want you to close your eyes. And as you start to breathe consciously, think about the last time that you felt negative. Maybe you felt sad. Maybe you felt angry. Maybe you felt disempowered, dejected, left out for nothing. With your eyes closed, think about that moment. And I want you to notice all of the feelings that come up within your body. The goal with doing this exercise is that you continue to breathe throughout. And as you do this, let the thoughts dissipate and allow yourself just to focus on those physical feelings in your body. Maybe your chest feels tight, maybe your throat feels tight. Just continue to breathe, noticing these feelings. I don't want you to hold on to the feelings, I just want you to notice them. And you can imagine yourself breathing and letting that breath just float over those feelings in your body. As you continue to do this, you'll notice that those feelings start to dissipate more and more, and they become less and less intense. And when you open your eyes, you might notice this feeling is not completely gone, and the thoughts are not completely gone. But as you practice this and as you do this more and more on a regular basis, you will notice that you experience these feelings and these thoughts less and less. Give it a try, make it a habit, and let me know, did this work for you?